Hi friends, in the last session we have started that aliasing and cloning of list objects, right? So in the last session we have started that aliasing and cloning of list objects. Normally what is aliasing and cloning means the process of giving another reference variable to the existing list. Okay, the process of giving another reference variable to the existing list is nothing but aliasing. Okay, how we can do aliasing means just taking new variable and assigning the content. So the problem with this approach is if you are changing the information in the aliasing object, so original list also will get affected. Okay, original list also will get affected. So to prevent this problem, we can resolve by using two ways. One is by using slice operator, second one by using copy function. Okay, now we'll observe what is slice operator and what is a copy function. Right? First one by using slice operator. Okay, first one by using slice operator. Observe carefully by using slice operator. First I'm taking. See here first I'm taking list. Okay, I'm printing that list and I'm printing that ID of that list also. Okay, I'm taking the list, I'm printing that list and I'm printing the ID of the list also. Next what I'm doing means I'm taking ls1 is equal to ls1 is equal to ls of aliasing. So you know everyone know if I'm not giving starting and ending means it is going to consider the total list. Okay, it's consider the total list. Okay, now I'm printing that list. Okay, now what I'm doing now I'm printing that list ls1 and ls1 after after cloning cloning by using slice of slice operator. After cloning by using slice operator id. See observe here now here and here we'll observe the different id. Okay, now we'll observe the different id. If you observe here 90409552 both are same content but different objects. I mean different id, same content but different ids it will generate. Okay, and if you observe here what I am doing now I am changing ls1 is equal to ls1 of 1 ls1 of 1 is equal to I'm taking 999 okay. Now observe. Okay, I'm printing that and print original list original list. Okay, list original list is nothing but ls. Now observe the output. So first id this is the one. After cloning by using slice operator id this is the one. After cloning by using slice operator this is the one. That means what I am doing here I'm changing the content. Okay, I'm changing the content of ls1. So this one and this one both are same. That means observe here ls also print ls1. See first id this is the one. So after cloning this is the second one. Okay, if you observe here this is the ls1. Okay, this is nothing but ls1 and id is nothing but this one. And if you observe here original list this is the one. So let me print the original id original id. If you observe here whatever the first one is there the same thing it is printing, but that means in the original list it is not affecting. Cloning you have created, content is got changed, so id will be the in that case, right? So this is the way. First case is by using slice operator. Okay, first case is by using slice operator. Okay, don't worry, I will explain with the diagrammatic, then you will get clarity. See, observe here what I am doing means okay, observe here. First this object is pointing to ls. Okay, first this object is pointing to ls. ls is pointing to this object. Okay, ls is pointing to this object. When ls1 is after creating slice operator, so next content is next it is going to create this new list object. Okay, after you are changing to 999, okay, 999, now here the content is going to change. So in that way here it is giving the different id here, and here both are different. Okay, but if you observe here, here 5 will be there, here triple double nine double nine, but id from the first side and the last original case also id is the same. Okay, so this is nothing but by using slice operator. Okay, this is nothing but by using slice operator. So next one, okay, if you are having any questions, just to watch the video one more time, you will get clarity. Slice operator means we are creating another object by using this way. So once it is created, so this list and this list both are different IDs. Both are having different IDs, but content wise both are same only. Okay, content wise same only, but IDs wise different, right? So now observe the next one. Okay, now observe the next one is nothing but by using copy function. 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 See the same information what I have used here, but just here what I am going to do is ls1 is equal to ls dot copy. Okay, ls dot copy. ls1 is equal to ls dot copy. Except this, remaining everything is same. Okay, except this, remaining everything is same. Observe here. See here, here. This ID and this ID both are same. But once you created cloning by using slice up copy function. Let me write a copy function. Okay, copy function. Copy function. Clear, right? Here ID and here ID both are different. So here and here content got changed by using copy function. So that's why here case both are different. Okay, here case and copy function id is both are different. That means the same diagrammatic. Okay, the same diagrammatic, the content here what is there. So once created ls1, here the content will change to 9999. Okay, 9999 instead of 5. So that is that is what we are observing here. Clear, right? If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section. Okay, I will help you for your clarity. Okay, so just to what we observed by using slice operator and by using copy function. Slice operator means it is going to create the new object. Whenever new object is created, this list and this list both are different, and they are having different IDs. If you observe here and here. Next, copy function also the same as a slice operator only, but except here we are creating a list by using in this way. Here we are creating by using this way. Theory wise same, but creating wise this is the different one. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends.